I'm headquartered here now, through the summit and beyond. Home sweet home. No more day and a halves between here and Philly. You should come take a look at my quarters. Beautiful view of the Cascades. She hasn't seen me. Oh, there it is. She saw me.
Doesn't matter.
Jadis?
It doesn't matter. You're going back to base right now. Then I'm getting you the hell out of here. If I have to knock you out, I'll put you on that goddamn boat myself. I belong here. You don't, and you will never change that. It's over. Everything we had is broken. You hear me?
Choto. It's Daito. I'm sorry.